Now sorting, yeah, this is very much important. This is really very, very important. Okay. So sorting, for example, if you want to see, you know, if you want to see the, if you want to see the number of, sorry, yeah, let's put a sorting on column A. If you want to see all the orders which have been put based on the dates, okay, based on the dates, if the order, which on which day, which order got, which order was done. So if you want to have that in a sequence of the dates, then you can put a sort on column A, and this you do from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Newest to oldest, if I do, then it will be like the latest date will come first, and then the later dates will come. The earlier dates will come after that. Okay, if in the sequence. If you do oldest to newest, then it will be C. So this has sorted. This has done the sorting. See, first month of the year, then second month, then third month, then second, so on and so forth. Okay, this is how it sorts. It can also do the sorting in Z2A. We do, then let's see, 12th month of the day, then 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. Okay, now you can also do it, yeah, you can also put a filter here. Okay, like here the filter is already put. For example, if the filters are removed, if you want to put a filter and want to see that on, which all areas have come, which all orders have come from central region or west, yeah, central region only. Okay, you can see column B that shows that, from which region the order has been placed. So if you want to filter that only, I want to see the um, orders which has been placed from central zone, then what will you do? You'll come here, you want to put a filter on row number 1. So put a filter here, it will apply to the entire row, and then in the drop down you select only central, remove all the other selections and do central. Okay, now you can see that all the orders which are placed on from central have been is displayed in the sheet. Okay, so this is how it happens. Sorting is done, filter is done. You can even clear the filter to get it back to, so for making any other selection, like to see if what all orders have come from west. If you want to see that, do that. Okay. You can do find, replace. For example, if you want to find central, wherever central is there, or if you want to see that where is a month, the person who has placed the order, where is the person in the row. If you want to find a particular distributor, that whether or the the customer, let's see, this row got highlighted. If you want to see where is Samira, okay, so see the whole, we can do the find. You can even replace by using this one, find the person and then replace it with, for example, Samira, if I want to replace with Sunil. Okay, so you have both the options. If you can either replace only Samira, one first place where you see Samira, replace it with Sunil, or you can wherever Samira is there in the entire sheet, just replace all. You can do that as well. Okay, so it will even give you that, it finds only the Excel finds only one uh, place, only, at only one place Samira is there, and it's placed with Sunil. Like that we can do. Clear? Yeah, so this is all for today. I hope these are very simple things, and gradually we will start moving. But these are very important thing as well, because in analysis we very often we get to use filter. We get to use sorting. We used to get conditional formatting and all. So definitely we should be aware of it. And on top of this, we will now start using multiple other functionalities in Excel. So wait and stay tuned. Keep attending the classes, and definitely at your place, on your laptop, just try to use these functions, and I will also have a class for the shortcuts. I'll keep giving you the shortcuts so that while using these functionalities, it's easier for you to do rather than going to these options one by one. You can use even shortcuts and achieve the same result. Okay, so keep watching and keep following. Also keep practicing, and let's get in touch in the next session. Thank you.